Hi guys, my name is Ed, a certified instructor from Be Creative Studios, and today I'm going to teach you how to professionally retouch your pictures, at least the simple way, to give it that je ne sais quoi, that beauty, the elegance, the flair. And yes, sometimes I know you're scrolling through Instagram and you see these pictures and you're like, wow, I wish I could do that. Well, in less than 3 steps, I'm going to show you one of the easiest methods. So if you're as excited as I am, I'll catch you in the video.
Okay. So as you can see, I've already imported an image of a stunning African queen, and we're about to do the basic retouching. So zooming in, hitting Ctrl plus to zoom in. You can definitely tell there are lots of things that need to be corrected. First of all, the color disparation between the highlights in the darker areas, obviously the pimple and acne and all that, and other parts of the neck too as well. So hitting Ctrl 0 to bring everything to full screen. The first thing I would like to do is head over to the layer panel and hitting Ctrl J to duplicate. Ctrl J to duplicate. Yes, with this, the next thing we're going to do is head over to our modes, our blend modes, and change it from normal to vivid light. If you need an in-depth tutorial on blend modes, just comment down below in the comment section. Just let's see what we can do from there. Next, I'm going to invert the selection by hitting Ctrl I. Then I would head over to filter, other, and high pass. Yes, so with this, it's going to introduce smoothness to the picture. We're going to smoothen out a lot of the pixels and give it that sort of refined look too as well. So you can tell it has a slider. When I slide it to the right, it over smoothens the image. Yes, you can tell. Scary, huh? When I drop it, it's basically more or less the same as the original. So let's find a sweet spot, shall we? Mind you, this number varies depending on the picture and the quality too as well. Let's find a sweet spot. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I think this is okay enough for me. Yeah. So now, as you can tell, our muse looks kind of weirdish. So next is we're about to introduce the texture. So texture from the original image back into this. So come back to filter, other, blur and Gaussian blur. So what this does, it introduces the texture from the original picture back into the smoothing image. And as you can tell, another slider pops up. So sliding it to the right, it's going to give us too much texture, just like the original, which we definitely don't want. Sliding to the left, you can see we are introducing textures back into it. So let me find my sweet spot somewhere between. No, let's go for 2.8. Yeah, I think 2.8 works well for me. So when we are done, we're going to create a layer mask. So I'll head down to this layer mask, add layer mask, click on it, and then go back to the layer mask properties and hit Ctrl I to invert the selection. Next, I'm going to hit B on my keyboard, B, to bring back the brush tool. This is your brush tool, just in case you want to select. You could manually go here and click on it, or you could just use B. Guys, learn your shortcut keys. And next we are going to start painting over it. But before you start painting, you need to remember, since we've inverted the selection with black, we need to start painting with white. So naturally, I'm assuming most of you would have everything this way. When you start painting, you won't really see anything. You need to go back, click on this, and then make sure that your selection is on white. After you zooming in is Ctrl plus, zoom in and just start painting. So as you can tell, her skin is already changing. I would like to change my selection brush. Yep, I think this is better. And then allow me to just do what I do best. And I'm done. hitting Control 0 to resize. So now obviously some of you are saying, wow, this doesn't really look different. So how can I tell we've actually done basic retouching? All you need to do is come here to the eye icon and just click on it. You see your before and after. Before and after. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. A very simple step in retouching. It's actually quite okay. Very, 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 very well okay. Might I dare say as well. So if there's anything you'd want in to do other videos and tutorials, just I don't know, comment in the comment section and hopefully see you from there.